Hello everybody, welcome to InstaFollowers.co YouTube channel. Today we will discuss why buying ReverbNation plays is a great idea. As you can imagine, ReverbNation is a platform where musicians can find producers and collaborate with them so that they become stars. And if you're one of these musicians, then take a look at our discounted prices, our special offers that we have only for you. For example, for 25,000 plays, you only have to pay just about $58. And that is a great price. All you need to do is to enter the track link over here in the first box and then the quantity in the second box. After you do that, you can choose to click on Add to Cart or click on Buy Now. If you choose to click on Add to Cart, then you can continue shopping. If you choose to click on Buy Now, then you can finish the process and your plays will be delivered to you before you know it. So it is very immediate. If you have other questions, make sure that you contact our live support, which is available 24/7. Again, no password is required, so the method is very safe. And speaking of safe methods, our secure method payment is extremely secure, so you don't have to worry about anything. Of course, we also provide refund guarantee, and as we have already mentioned, our deliveries are extremely fast. Make sure that you take a look at our other texts as well as the frequently asked questions section right over here. And that is all you need to know. So thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. We interrupt this video for a very important yet very brief introduction for our website instafollowers.co. You can buy Instagram followers with instant delivery in 2020. But before we tell you how, let us talk about our features and options. You can buy Instagram likes, followers, views, comments, and reels on instafollowers.co. You can also buy backlinks from quality websites. We also provide services from TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and SoundCloud, and many more. You may have several questions in mind, like why are Instagram followers important? Because buying Instagram followers helps your account get more visibility, since Instagram has more than 1 billion users around the world, and it is one of the most popular social media platforms. There is no doubt that it is a highly preferred platform nowadays because it offers a very user-friendly interface. Although it was seen as a copy of the famous Snapchat back in the day, Instagram developed itself very quickly. It offered so many features that people can't even stay away from using. In addition, Instagram came up with so many creative features that even caught Facebook's interest. You may have further questions like key reasons to buy Instagram followers. When we started using social media in its early times, it was purely for entertainment. Yet, social media is not just about that anymore. Today, we can see many brands, companies, and other organizations using social media for profit purposes. Since Instagram became a popular platform, we can see various types of uses of it, either for entertainment or for business purposes. And if your purpose is to make money on Instagram, you don't have to have a business profile at all. You can be an influencer with your personal profile as well. Since Instagram offers short content such as content videos, influencing on Instagram is not difficult. In fact, it is fun. Benefits of buying Instagram followers. There are many benefits of buying Instagram followers. Buying followers will save you time and grow your account. You may desire to do it in an organic way. However, it is not always possible. Let's say you have opened a souvenir shop and you want to promote it. Instagram is a perfect way to do so. However, you have made a lot of investment for that store and you want to start making money as soon as possible. If you try to gain followers organically, you will need to spend time on it between all your work. That is why buying Instagram followers will help you, but how? We have three main important things that we keep in mind, like visibility, trust, and organic followers. Let's talk about visibility first. Purchasing Instagram followers will rapidly increase your visibility on the app. What does visibility mean on Instagram, you may ask? It is having the chance to show your content to more people. Trust. When you buy Instagram followers, you are not just increasing the number of followers you have, you also gain the trust of people who visit your profile. Purchasing is very simple. All you need to do is click the Buy Instagram Followers page, enter your username in the sections, choose the quantity of followers you want, click the Buy Now, Add to Cart button, click the Payment button, select the payment methods that are 100% secure, and done. That's all you need to know. Now we can continue with our video. Thank you for listening. Enjoy.